What's up, guys? Welcome my video today. I work hard this my drawing. 10, 11 hour ako tapos na yan. This 1, 2, 3. Wait lang. This. Work hard this. Oh yeah. You like? Gusto mo kayong how to draw this? Why?